Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Infinix Smart 5. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Infinix Smart 5 and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, we're going to find here something say language and input. After click over language and input, we're going to see the first one which is languages. Now if you decide to add your mother language, you need to click here add language and you're going to see there's a bunch of language available. For example, I would like to say the language is like Francisa and then I would like to make this one default. So I'll just hold it and bring upper side and immediately my phone language going to be changed English to Francisa. Now you can see everything in my phone completely changed. Why I made these things, actually this is I made for you guys. It might be by mistakenly your phone language has changed or you want to make it English. Obviously most of around the world we're using our phone in English language. So how you can do that? First of all, you need to find out the gear icon. This is the gear icon, which is the setting icon. Again, I make here all apps, and then you're going to see this is a gear icon. So you have to open the gear icon. After click over gear icon, scroll all the way down, and then you're going to find here this is the icon, which is system icon. You need to click here again. After click over again, we're going to see this is the another icon, which is the like language icon or world global icon. So we're going to choose over on it. After click over on it, we need to choose the first one. Now you can see it's giving you, if you want to make English, you can easily bring the English upper side. If English is not available, you can go the plus icon and find out the English language from here. So within this, so you can easily change language in your Infinix Smart 5. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.